Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 1st of January, 2024. The Indian equity indices ended the first day of the new year, with marginal gain in the highly volatile session after hitting fresh record highs. At close, the Sensex was up 31.68 points, or 0.04% at 72,271.94, and the Nifty was up 10.50 points, or 0.05% at 21,741.90. Nestle India, Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Tech Mahindra and Wipro were among the top gainers on the Nifty, while losers included ALKEM Motors, Bharti Airtel, M&M, Bajaj Auto and HDFC Bank. Talking about the corporate segment, we have the Yes Bank stock surged 7% on January 1st to inch closer to its 52-week high of 23.05 rupees, following the private lender's declaration of receiving 150 rupees crore from a single trust in security receipts portfolio after NPA portfolio sale. Renewed investor interest may keep the stock in the green for the short term. Yes Bank informed the exchanges on December 31st about the receipt of funds from a single trust. This is with reference to our earlier disclosure pertaining to the sale of NPA portfolio to JC Flowers ARC on December 17, 2022. The bank would like to inform that it has received 150 rupees crore from a single trust in the security receipts portfolio, the lender said. Shares of Vodafone Idea extended the rally from the previous session to zoom 7% more on January 1st. The stock of telecom service provider under the Aditya Birla Group has surged over 30% across two sessions as the street awaited clarity on the company's fundraising plans. A total of 109 crore shares traded on the BSE and the NSE combined so far in the day, significantly higher than the one-week average of 69 crore shares and the monthly average of 42 crore shares. Shares of BONDADA Engineering rallied 5% on January 1st on the company's plans to pick up 60% in ALKEM Technologies for 2.19 rupees crore. The company's board at its meeting held on December 29 approved to acquire a substantial stake of 60%, 30,000 equity share of 10 rupees each in the paid-up equity share capital of ALKEM Technologies Private Limited. Consequent to the acquisition, ALKEM will become subsidiary company of the company. ALKEM is a leading manufacturer of advanced torque motors and controllers for EV2 and three-wheelers, drones, defense and industrial application motors, which will help the company in its foray into the renewable energy space. The share price of GRASIM Industries went up 1% to a 52-week high of 2,163.30 rupees in the opening trade on January 1st after the company expanded its advanced materials capacity at the Gujarat unit. The chemical division of the company has successfully commissioned additional 123,000 tons annual capacity of advanced materials, epoxy resins and formulation, manufacturing capacity at Violate, Distance Barrage, Gujarat, the company said in its release. Shares of ALKEM Laboratories hit a 52-week high of 5,239.95 rupees in the early trade on January 1st after the company completed the sale of one of its units in the US to New Mill Capital Holdings LLC. This is to inform you that as part of the company's operational strategy, the operations of the company carried out at the St. Louis manufacturing facility situated in the USA owned by S&B Pharma LLC, a step-down subsidiary of the company, are closed. Accordingly, all rights, title and interest in the land, improvements, and personal property with respect to the said facility owned by said subsidiary are sold to New Mill Capital Holdings LLC, pursuant to its purchase and sale agreement, ALKEM Laboratories said in an exchange filing. Sanjanita Chemicals Limited in daily time frame is trading around 33.90 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 3.353 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 27.10, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 78.18. Eri Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited in daily time frame is trading around 60.65 points with a change of 19.98% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.092 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 50.42, which is a good indication for the stock. while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.37. Motor and General Finance Limited in daily time frame is trading around 45.70 points with a change of 19.95% and is trading with a net volume of around 414 for 5,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 36.88, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 88.95. For the stock recommendation we have, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone looks good and can be bought at 1,049 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 1,028 rupees and a target of 1,082 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.